Hello, this is my video explanation for how to do the assignments for week 3. Now, if you notice, I have posted my virtual office hours on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. That means that I'll be available to respond to you as fast as I possibly can during that time. At the bottom, I've also included a calculator resource page. I included the TI-84 subscription up at the top, but I am aware that a lot of people cannot use that. So I've also included a graphing calculator, how to use it, and then a scientific calculator that does fractions and how to use it. Okay. So for week 3, what you do is you scroll down until you see my calendar. This is week 3, April 6th through 10th. Up at the top, I want you to notice, this is new. Anytime that you have to upload your assignment as a picture, I need your name written on it, okay? Now, this will view a copy of the lesson plan for the week. And then this video, well, it's going to be this video that I'm recording right now. Okay, so for task number 1, you are supposed to watch the YouTube video and copy the notes. Now you can print a copy of the notes, so I've included it right here. If you can download and print it, that's fine. Copy that, there you go. Now, if you cannot print that, that's all right. Just copy the equations and then write it in. Now, I do have the link right here so that you can watch the video. And when you are finished, notice it's in red, you are going to submit your notes here. So you come over here, up at the top, you do submit assignment. You would do a file upload. So I'm just going to choose a random file in my stuff, okay? And then I would hit submit assignment. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my main page so I can show you task number 2. So after you've done your notes, and I want you to notice, this is a daily grade. We are going to start taking grades now. Task number 2 is a test grade. Now you will be able to redo it a few times in order to get your grade above a 70, but it is going to count as a test grade. Now, here's a blank copy of the assignment. Okay. Once again, if you can't print this, then all you need to do is copy the problems onto your paper and make sure you put your name on it. Okay, and you will show your work right here. Now you're going to notice that also part of what you're supposed to do is to explain how to do number 5. So that is going to be part of this test grade. So here's how it's going to look. After you finish that assignment, you are going to go to the submit your assignment here. So right here. I would take the quiz. You're supposed to put your answers in, so I'm just going to give you an example. Notice that it says write them in this format with the squiggly brackets and no spaces. So let's say that my answer was 1/2 and 5. I would put my bracket. I'm going to do 1 divided by 2 for 1/2, comma, 5 for my other answer. Then I can close the bracket and I can submit. Now I'm going to go all the way down until we get to a different question, because there's something I want to show you on that. So these are the first 5 questions. They match up with that assignment. And then on question number 6, you are supposed to upload your explanation of how you solved question 5. You need to use complete sentences and vocabulary words like leading coefficient, middle term, constant, factors, all of those. Please notice that this is 20 points. You will choose a file, so the same thing, I'm just making something up, choosing a file, I upload it, I hit next. Okay, and then the last part, question 7. This is where you are going to upload the page that shows all of the work that you did in order to get your answers. If you do not upload your work right here, you will not get credit for this assignment. Notice, it is 40 points. So find your work. I'm just going to choose something random. That'll work. Then I go submit quiz. So whenever you submit your quiz, there are a couple of questions that I have to grade manually. So after a while, please allow me about 24 to 48 hours for a response. I usually try to get it done as soon as I possibly can. I will go ahead and give you feedback, so that way if you need to redo anything, you will have another chance. Okay, let's go back because I want to show you one more thing. Okay. Now, at the bottom of this page, I added in some additional support because I know a lot of you might not really remember how to factor. So here's basic factoring of a trinomial, and here's the ones with the leading coefficients. So please let me know if you have any troubles.